I have to clean the house.
Yes, it's very dirty.
You can help me.
Why me?
Because you helped make it dirty.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to clean the bathroom.
Oh, that's easy.
Clean the sink, the tub, the counter, and the toilet.
That's a lot of work.
Tell me when you finish.
I don't think so. You'll just give me more work. You're watching too much TV.
What do you mean?
I mean, you're wasting your life.
I'm having fun.
You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Who cares?
I care. Do something.
Okay, I did something.
What did you do?
I turned up the volume.
That's not what I meant by do something.
Well, you do something. Leave me alone.